Hey guys, Chris Urso here. We are down in Savannah at Moss Point, checking on some of the renovations that we have going. We bought the property in December of 2016. It is now March 1st, so we're about 2 months into ownership. We got a lot going on here today, so I'm going to walk you through to the amenity space. So if you can, we'll go on the inside. You can see here, one of the biggest things we've done so far is the new fence. We got rid of the old stockade fencing that was on the property, which was basically enclosing the entire area. But now we have, how's the view with the sun? It's good? All right.
It's pretty bright.
All right, good. This is in the raw. All right, this is good stuff. So it's been a long day. We've been up since about 4 a.m. today, Josh and I, my cameraman. But some of what we've done here so far is all the fencing, as Josh was highlighting before. We changed over to the aluminum. It was all the wood stockade, kept the area really enclosed. Back here has been the biggest addition also so far. So the previous fence stopped about here, and again it was stockade, so we pushed back this whole run straight across. We got our pergola with what's going to be 2 big grills set in here, big countertop space, and then we're going to have table set up over here. And fencing makes a world of a difference. All this is going to get landscaped around, so it'll look really nice. We'll put up a natural barrier so people feel like they're kind of in the pool area space, and then we'll walk over here. So guys, we're literally just pouring concrete right before we got here, so you'll see. This area right here was the leasing office / clubhouse. It's now going to be a club room. We put a new window in, you'll see from the inside, but we also took out the old wooden deck here, poured a whole new concrete slab. That yellow pipe sticking up is going to be where the gas fire pit is going to go. So this will be kind of a loungy seating area right outside the clubhouse. And then this structure over here that's being framed, we're about a week into our new fitness center addition. So if we go around this way, you'll be able to get a little shot. The pool looks so good right now, I'd love to jump in. So you can see this is a brand new structure that's being built. The whole slab's been poured already. It's going to be our fitness center. Now the wall behind there is going to get blown out another 8 to 10 feet where the existing fitness center is, so we'll show you from the inside in a second. So you got your entry into the leasing office / clubhouse through back there or there, laundry room on this side. This is all going to get filled in with new concrete, so we'll have a big pool deck here for all the chairs, lounge chairs around it. That'll be the hangout area for the grill, and that'll be the hangout area for the fire pit. So we're making awesome progress, very happy. The team here is doing great. We're going to bring you guys into the clubhouse next, and then we'll bring you into the model as well to show you some of the sizzle package that we put together. But we're doing really well here at Moss Point. We bought this deal again in December. We were down here touring 3 other deals, and I will tell you, based on the pricing guidance of those deals, we feel really good about what we bought Moss Point at. So, hey guys, Chris Urso here, URS Capital. We are in the model at Moss Point, our 278 units in Savannah. We bought this deal about 2 months ago. Just down here checking with the site team, going through all the outside construction work. We're also putting together a little bit of a sizzle package. So if you're not familiar with this deal was, all the units were fully renovated before we bought it. And it had been kind of taken down to 0% occupancy, been releasing. Over the last 24 months, we stepped in at 93, 94% occupancy with the goal to be able to take the property now on the offensive. So we want to take some of the things up a little bit, test some things out. The outside's where we were doing a lot of work. I was just showing you guys that in a prior video. But in here, we'll just kind of walk you through the model. You could take a look at the kitchen. We put some backsplashes in. So not a huge kitchen. This is a 1-bedroom floor plan, but very functional. You got the new black appliances, new countertops, cabinets, pulls, and come on in, Josh. You got the backsplashes on both sides that look really good. Our guys that were able to do this in-house, so we did the backsplashes. All the switch plates were previously kind of the cream color. We converted them all to white. Did some of the light fixtures throughout, and our manager thinks you can get about a $30 premium for less than a $500 spend. So this is a package that we'll likely offer to prospects as an upsell. So we'll show to them the model and then a base unit and say, hey, if you want the backsplash and this kind of lighting package and cabinet pulls for an extra $30, we can custom make it in your unit once they select it. Rather than do all the units and then try to get it, it can be done on a made to order basis. So that's what we're going to test out here. We're also going to be doing some washer dryer connections. We'll walk you through some of those units later. Right now the property's running really well, and we'll show you guys the bedroom so you can see it. And we're really happy with Savannah as a whole. We're trying to expand here. We bought this deal with our private investor network, combination of middle to high net worth investors, and we raised a little over $7 million for this project. We bought it for $21 million back in December, 75,000 a unit. We feel really good about that number considering the quality of the product that we're getting, with all the major capitals pretty much done. And now it's time for us to operate it and take it to the next level. We have Village Green in here. We have a great site team that's doing an awesome job. And the goal is to generate cash flow out of this, build value over time by increasing rents and occupancy over the next several years. So, good?
Yep.
Hey guys, Chris here. We are inside the leasing office Clubhouse at Moss Point. Show you some of the progress that we got going on. All the paint, got some guys working. Got the little kitchen area set up. That's gonna have a sink put in it, so you have the sink, fridge, microwave. We took out one of the sliding doors there for the window. Put a new exit door over there. Painted the whole place, did the grays. We're gonna redo the fireplace, kind of whitewash it. New big screen TV, new furniture. We cleaned up this area here. It's gonna be kind of the leasing, then assistant manager, and then property manager. And we're almost there. We're about 75% of the way through, but super happy with the progress. These guys are doing an awesome job. We appreciate it. Thank you. This is something that we put in as well. It's gonna eventually be a hallway from the clubhouse room. There'll be a wall here, cutting off this way. So residents can use the clubhouse, come through here to use the restrooms or laundry room, or come outside, rather than previously they used to have to go through the offices from that room. So now we're actually making it before this. If you remember the pictures, if you saw it, if not, it was just purely a leasing center. You couldn't use that as a clubhouse because it was all kind of tied together as one space. So we defined the spaces to where now the offices can get locked off. Residents can use that space, go outside, come through here if they need to use the restroom. This, where we're standing, so if we look this way, this was the old fitness center, was basically just this room. So what we've done, you saw the images from the outside, behind that wall is where we've pushed out another 14 feet, give or take. Kind of hard to see through there. So this, from where I'm standing over, will now become the fitness center with two big windows on the front of it overlooking the pool area. You have a door from outside. So it'll be not the biggest, but it's gonna have really high ceilings on the extension part. It'll look great, and the hallway will be put in. And then you can see from out here how big it is. We got one of the guys working here doing the concrete pad. So if you can kind of see from over here how far it extends out. And then you have your door cut there so residents can come from the pool to the gym, which is pretty awesome. They can come in from the outside. And then on this side, all the doors got painted really nice, the hallway. And just got our laundry room here, which is quasi-storage right now for some of the gym equipment, but fresh coat of paint. This will all get cleaned up, and this area will be up and running, I mean, in less than 3 months from takeover. So we bought it end of December, so, watch your back. January, February, March, and we'll be done by the end of this month with everything except the fitness center. So the whole pool area, clubhouse will be all good to go. Super excited, team's doing a great job here. If you want more information, if you're an investor, go into the portal. If you're not an investor, go to our website and get signed up so you can be a part of one of our next deals. Thank you.